Meanwhile, Boeing has reported grim earnings for the fourth quarter, with an estimated $3.5 billion operating cash flow loss. This is driven by 8-week labor strike by the International Association of Machinists, workforce reductions and changes in its defense business. Revenue is expected to fall to $15.2 billion, missing analyst estimates. Losses per share are projected at $5.46, far exceeding the expected $1.32 loss per share. The company also disclosed $1.7 billion in pre-tax charges tied to its defense and space division, further amplifying financial pressures. This comes as Boeing struggles to regain stability, with jet deliveries for 2024 down 33% year-over-year, totaling 348 commercial jets. Boeing's production challenges worsened after the strike, which ended in November with a costly 4-year labor agreement. This includes a 38% pay increase, a $12,000 bonus, enhanced retirement benefits, and lower healthcare premiums. This resulted in $1.1 billion in additional costs for the 777X and 767 program. The disruptions have also delayed high-profile projects like Air Force One, which is now 3 years behind schedule and $2.7 billion over budget. These setbacks come as Boeing tries to recover from quality control issues and a catastrophic mid-air incident with the 737 MAX in 2024. Now, to address its liquidity crisis, Boeing raised $24 billion through a capital initiative. However, with a $4 billion quarterly cash burn, the company's future depends on significant operational improvements under CEO Kelly Ortberg. Boeing is also navigating political uncertainty, including potential tariffs on China, Canada, and Mexico, key markets for aircraft components and sales. As global competitors like Airbus widen their lead, Boeing faces mounting pressure to improve production quality, reduce delays, and stabilize its business. Despite these challenges, a company has $500 billion order book, signaling hope for a long-term recovery.